Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. How would you like to start making money with your net 30s that you're buying? That's right, making those net 30s that you're investing in, make them start paying you. How does that sound? Okay, if that's you, then I'm going to show you how to leverage net 30s so that you can start building up revenue to put back into your business. Not only that, we're going to talk about some of the easiest business credit cards and loans to get in order to help you get business credit funding. Also, we're going to actually talk about how to find money. That's right, money that you may not aware of, that you have lost, and how to use that money to invest back into your startup. So that's what we're going to start at. First thing is talking about the money, talking about the free money. All right. So when it comes to free money, a lot of us are not even aware that we have lost money out there. Okay. And that being the case, you have government agencies that track all of this stuff. So you have USA.gov federal agencies, right? But here's a better breakdown right here is that these are your top federal agencies that if you have lost money and stuff like that. So you have Treasury Hunt, unclaimed U.S. securities and payments. You have HUD FHA mortgage insurance refunds. You have credit unions, unclaimed shares. You have U.S. courts, unclaimed funds, and bankruptcy. Then you have unclaimed.org. So these are some of the best resources to actually find. And I have had clients find decent amount of money to where it would help with their startups. So I would definitely tell you to check these out, all right, for starting up and finding money. Free money. This is free money, okay? Money that belongs to you that you're not aware of. That being said, let's hop back over to some of these net 30s you may want to consider investing in. Like I always tell you guys that you should have a NAV account. Now, the reason that you should have a NAV account, NAV did something interesting lately that people are not aware of. NAV, they just partnered up with TIFL. They actually purchased TIFL. Okay, so now where I know some people that had TIFL is a secured credit card program that you can get a credit card for like $500 and it reports to the business credit bureaus for you. Okay, it's a secured card and stuff like that. Well, NAV had actually gotten, now they've taken over ownership of that. So that's one way to actually help you build up your business credit. Actually, it's going to give you two trade lines, right? Because you get the NAV program. Now with the NAV program, again, it shows you and keeps up with your business credit reporting systems, like with Equifax, Experian, Dun and Bradstreet. It also gives you your personal credit score, but it's a Vantage score. So that's the difference. Speaking of Vantage score, we're going to talk about some of the easiest business credit cards using a Vantage score at that. That being said, once you have the NAV account, then I would definitely encourage you to become a NAV affiliate partner, right? Because you're already using the system, you already know how the system operates and stuff like that. You know it's good at reporting, plus you're getting multiple trade lines if you're signing up for the NAV TIFL credit card, right? And for those of you who are not familiar with it, you can click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. That being said, having revenue coming from NAV, all right, having that money paid to your business checking account. I'm going to tell you guys something that most people are not saying. Whenever you're signing up for any type of affiliate program, make sure that you're signing up with your EIN number. The reason is this is going to help you build up your revenue much faster in your business bank rating. Now, one key thing to actually building up business credit is making sure you have the right business bank account. Okay, and I always tell you guys, with the right business bank account, you not only build up the business credit, you build up the business bank rating, which is so important, which is the most important thing, because that actually tracks your activity. Now, the reason I tell you to sign up with like Chase, Capital One, Citibank, because they report to most of the business credit bureaus, which is Experian, Equifax, Small Business Financial Exchange, and that information is shared with Dun and Bradstreet. Okay, so that's the reason that I would tell you to make sure that when you are even purchasing accounts, net 30, net 60, net 15 accounts and stuff, make sure that you're using your business bank account to do that, so that way you have activity transactions going on. All right. Now, the next net 30 that you jjgold.com. Now, you don't have to buy their products or whatever, but I would say if you're building up your business credit and you want trade lines to report on your business credit file, then I would tell you to go ahead and get the products and then sign up for like their affiliate program. Again, that way you can be able to promote their products because you're actually using their products, and it will actually make you money. And they'll be reporting back to the business credit bureaus as well. All right. So then you have JJ Gold. I don't know how to properly pronounce it. Maybe some of you guys do, but they even have like a net 30 and stuff. And so, of course, we do not offer a business credit card that can be used for any merchant. We offer a business line of credit. So they offer a business line of credit, which is a net 30 account that can be used for our services, right? And so they offer business lines of credit. They don't offer business credit cards. But again, by you signing up for their products, plus you're signing up for their affiliate account, which helps report to the business credit bureaus. All right. All right. Now, so you can see like some of the key things that they talk about, unlike financial opportunities and stuff, by them reporting. So, which is very good. Business T-shirt club. Now, with Business T-shirt club, of course, you can buy their products and stuff. Especially, you may be in the T-shirt industry. You may have a T-shirt business, T-shirt printing and stuff like that. So you may want to use their services to buy products and stuff like that, and then signing up for their affiliate program. So that way, like you using a product, you can get recommendations and stuff to other people where to go and stuff like that, and you're making money, and that money again is being paid to your business bank account. All right, so that's the reason that I'm making this video, because I think we missed the opportunity of how to make these net 30s actually pay us instead of us always paying them. All right, now do Granger, Seaton, Uline? Absolutely. Absolutely. Now here's Creative Analytics. They also offer an affiliate program as well. Okay. And so with their affiliate program, again, they're paying you on a net 30. They pay you every 30 days, basically, in terms of transactions and stuff like that. So this is definitely a program where they have business credit products you buy, but at the same time, you can sign up for their affiliate program. Fair professional financing, okay? And it is a net 60 account, okay? So with their net 60 account and stuff, you can go here and you would click on this, put your email in, and you would go head over and look at the application. All right. Now, let's talk about some of these easier business credit cards that you should be applying for. And this is a BCU. BCU, Baxter Credit, business lines of credit, business credit cards, right? Now, at the same time, how to join them? You join them through employment. You can join them through community charter, or you can join them through family. And the last one is a nonprofit organization called Life Money U that teaches you about managing money and everything. And they will waive the $5 fee for you to join, okay? Now, the reason I'm talking about this, and for those of you that do follow me, you know that I'm very passionate, because here's the thing. This is a Vantage 3 TransUnion financial institution. And we all know these are like unicorns, right? The reason they're unicorns is because we know our Vantage score is usually higher than our FICO score, because we can build up our Vantage score or our TransUnion FICO 9 scores faster than we can build up our FICO 8 scores. And this is very important because the way we're building it up with authorized users. Now, choosing the right authorized users is very important because some authorized users, all the data does not transfer over. Okay, so you may get the account, but you may not get the history to help age the file. So that's something you have to keep in mind. But adding authorized users, also utility payments, subscription payments, as well as rental and mortgage payments. Okay, that's why Vantage scoring systems are more important. Granted that the numbers are off, but when you find financial institutions that cater to Vantage, you definitely want to be in the mix of those. All right. That being said, here's another financial institution that uses Vantage as well, and it's Veridian. Now, the way to join Veridian is through the Habitat for Humanities, Jimmy Carter's organization that goes around building houses and stuff for people, right? So that being said, they have a business credit card as well. Now, they do offer accounts in all 50 states as well, okay? So this is another one of those TransUnion scoring financial institution, all right? Now, here's one more, Vantage. Now, this is Vantage this is Vantage Scoring 4. Vantage TransUnion Scoring 4. This is okay, this is the Randolph Brooks Federal Credit Union, okay? And so, because I know people like, what does RB stand for? Randolph Brooks Federal Credit Union is what it stands for. But they offer business credit cards as well. So looking at some of the business products, as you can see, they offer business loans. Now, I would tell you guys, do not go for a business loan if you're a startup. Stay away from a business loan. You do not want an SBA loan unless you're doing an express loan, okay? Now, SBA express loan is okay, but beyond that, whenever you're going for a financial institution, you want to make sure you go after a business credit card, okay? You always start with a business credit card, and then if they offer lines of credit, then if they offer business lines of credit, then that's what you want to go after. But you do not want to go after a business loan or a SBA loan unless it's the SBA express loan, okay? That being said, another business credit card you should be checking out is the Capital One Gold Spark Card. Now, with the Capital One Gold Spark Card, give me just one moment. You only need a 580 credit score. And you can have a charge-off account with them, and you still have a higher chance of being approved for this card. And it's the Capital One Spark Gold Card. This is the one you want. And please understand, with this here business credit card, it does report on the business side as well as the personal side, okay? So just keep that in mind. But it's definitely a business credit card you should consider when trying to build up business credit and you're actually going to be purchasing net 30s and stuff like that. This is how you actually build up your file. I know a lot of people want to get to 100,000. The money will help you. Business supplies, like if you're doing a food truck, a restaurant, or janitorial business, yeah, it helps. But most of the time, we actually need the money because we can probably get a better deal if we had the money, correct? That being said, here's another business card. Like I said, you need a 580 credit score for that one. Corpay is a net 21 card. All right. Now with this Corpay Net 21 card, they do pull your FICO 8 Experian. Okay, they do hard pull on your FICO 8 Experian. Now understanding that all you need is a 600 credit score, but again, it reports to the business credit bureaus, and that's exactly what you want. You want to have more positive trade lines reporting to the business credit bureau. All right. Now say that you use the card and you they may give you, like, they usually start out some people with $1,000, But say you max out that $1,000 or whatever, again, it doesn't affect the personal credit, all right? They do pull your personal credit to see if you qualify for the card, but if you max the card out, it won't affect the personal credit, all right? Now, another easy place to get funding is DreamSpring, okay? Now, to my understanding, like one of the key elements to getting approved with DreamSpring, make sure that your DTI, your debt to income ratio, is less than 50%, okay? Just make sure of that, all right? Now, DreamSpring has loans and they have lines of credit. Again, you guys know me. I'm always telling you to go for the business line of credit, which is called the power line of credit from DreamSpring. Of course, it goes up to $50,000 and it's a revolving line for 24 months, right? So you use it, pay it down, use it, pay it down. Now, the good thing about it, like I said, once you're approved, you don't have to keep on applying for a line of credit over and over again, all right? So they pull TransUnion, FICO 9, they do use Upstart for their funding source, okay? So just keep that in mind. DC Credit Union. My goodness. For those of you that's able to get in this credit union, God bless you. Because I think this is one of the best credit unions in the market. And it's like a hidden gem. It's that hidden gem that nobody wants to tell you about. But this here not only helps you on the personal side, but it really helps you on the business side. Now, the best thing that they have offering, they don't offer the business credit card, but they do offer a business loan. Now, I told you guys not to stay away from business loan, but the thing about it, with the exception with this business loan, is that you don't have to be in business for no 2 years, and all you have to do is have a 610 credit score. Okay? Now, again, here you go. You see this here? Debt to income ratio must not exceed 50%. All right? That's very important. But they give business loans up to $50,000. So for those of you that are able to join this, put a comment below. Or let me know if you ever use this bank, because I think this here bank is one of the best hidden gems in the market. All right. Now, if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off of credit, put a comment below or schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.